Hi, I'm Calvin Davis, and today I'd like to do a little lab based on the stoichiometries of a precipitation reaction. Okay, let's kind of get started. So as you can see, I have some items laid out here, kind of how we have been going over the past. So let me introduce my items here. I have some distilled water here in a bottle. I have some paper towels here. I have some cups here. I have my coffee mug. I have my beaker and a stirrer here, 100 milliliter. What else we have? We have our funnel. We also have a cylinder for a 25 millimeter cylinder, some water. We have some safety goggles which are on my head here. I'll be donning those. I have a scale, digital scale. You can see that does light up. I also have a weighing boat that's plastic. It is actually inside this bag here. This is the stoichiometry, precipitation, everything that I needed here. So it's a little weighing boat here. We also have here some sodium carbonate and some calcium chloride. Okay, and then we have our filter paper, and what else? That's everything I think that we need going. Alright, so let's kind of get started. So first, our first step is to don our glasses. So we have on our goggles. Okay. Our next step would be to it says here we're going to have 1 gram of calcium chloride. We're going to put that into 100 milliliter in the boat. So what we'll do here, we'll measure off 1 gram into our little boat. Let me get this open. This is our calcium chloride, which is our CaCl2 and 2H2O. So we'll get us 1 gram of that. So let's turn on our scale. Let's weigh that. Ooh, got a little bit too much there. What we have here is 1.5. We just need 1 gram of this. Pour some of this off. And we're at 0.8. As you can see, this is not an easy task. We have 1 gram. We're going to pour this into our beaker. Okay. Then it tells us to add 25 milliliters of distilled water. So we'll put our distilled water, and we're going to kind of pour this over our little cup here. And this is a 25 milliliter and we're going to add that into. Alright, then it asks us to mix it, and it says stir with the stirrer. Stir that up, and then it wants us to use the stoichiometry to determine the amount of calcium, sodium carbonate that we need to make a full reaction. So what we're going to do now is do our conversion table. So we'll find the molar mass of sodium bicarbonate, and we'll look at our periodic table to find that information. And since I've already done that previously, I found that it was 695.001 moles to mass. And then what we'll do is we'll also take, we're going to convert this into a gram. So we'll do our DA table, and in our DA table we'll put moles on the bottom, and then we'll add our calcium hydrochloride on the top. We'll get the molar mass for that, and on the periodic table, and that came out to be 147.02 grams. So when we do our cancellation of our sodium chloride, then we'll do our multiplication, and then I've come up with 1.021 grams of is what it's going to take. So basically we've asked for 1 gram, so we've got 0.72 gram, and we'll add that into our